Why your business needs AI shoplift detection. AI shoplift detection identifies suspicious behavior in real time, not after the loss has occurred. This allows staff to step in early and prevent items from leaving the store. The moment suspicious activity is detected, alerts with video clips are sent directly to managers or security. This enables faster decisions and more effective on-floor response. Early alerts allow staff to engage customers proactively instead of confronting them at the exit. This lowers risk to staff and creates a safer store environment. AI reduces shrinkage, cuts investigation time, and improves overall efficiency. It turns existing CCTV cameras into intelligent tools that actively protect profits. Protect your stock, your staff, and your profits with AI shoplift detection. Contact CCTV Security Surveillance today.